Good morning, students. Welcome back to the digital learning class, to the fourth standard social studies class. In last class, we have learned fourth lesson, the Great Indian Desert. Today we will learn fifth lesson, climate in India. In this video we shall learn climate and weather, factors affecting climate and different seasons in India. First, we will see weather. Weather refers to the atmospheric condition of a particular place at a particular time. Weather refers to the atmospheric condition of a particular place at a particular time. When we say how hot it is today or it is cloudy today, we are talking about the weather. Now comes climate. Climate can be best described as the typical weather conditions of a place over a long period of time. For example, if a place is constantly warm and dry, the climate of that area is said to be warm and dry. Climate condition can change or shorter period of time. Those shorter period of time are called seasons. A person who studies weather and makes weather forecast is called meteorologist. The climate of a place determines its plant and animal lives, the crops grown, the animals found, the people who live there, and so on. People living things adapt themselves to the climate of a place. For example, people living in extremely cold region include a lot of fat in their food, which provides their body the heat to survive. Such extreme cold conditions, you also wear thick and warm clothes to protect themselves from the cold. Desert climate is typically very hot during the day and very cold at night. People living in deserts wear light cotton clothes during the day to keep their body cool and woolen clothes during the cold nights. They also have to cover their head in daytime to prevent a heat stroke. Now comes factors affecting climate. How far it is from the equator. Now comes what is an equator? The equator is an imaginary line that divides the earth into equal halves. It is the hottest at the equator and becomes cooler as one goes away from the equator. The divider line is called equator. See students, this line is divides the earth into equal halves. This is one half and this is another half. This line is divides the earth into equal halves. Now, how far, near or far it is from the sea? Places located near the sea have moderate climate as they have received the cool land and sea breezes. Altitude of place, how high it is. Also places situated higher on hills and mountains have a cooler climate than those in the plains. The Indian climate and seasons. India has three main seasons. First one is summer season. Second one is monsoon, that is rainy season, and winter season. However, there are also some parts of our country that experience spring and autumn season also. Now comes first one is summer season. The summer season in India starts from the mid-March and goes on up to the mid-June. It is extremely hot during this season. Since the sun is at its brightest, days are longer and nights are shorter in summer. The hottest months in India are May and June. In India, the northern plains, plateaus, and desert experience maximum heat during this season. Places near the sea are also naturally cooler than those that are not. It gets cooler as we go a little higher on hills and mountains. Why? This is why people often visit hill stations such as Mussoorie, Shimla, Ooty, Nainital, where it is pleasant and cool even during summers. During the day, hot winds called Lu blow across the desert region and northern plains. Many people die of heat stroke due to this intensely hot wind. Dust storms and sandstorms form when strong winds cause dust to rise higher in the air, thereby resulting in much destruction and damage. Sometimes the northern plains and the northern mountains experience strong winds and hailstorms during this summer season. These occur when masses of cold air meet masses of moist air. During the storm, hail or balls of ice called hailstones falls in huge quantities. Many a times hailstorms damage property and lives as well. Now comes rainy or monsoon season. In India, the rainy season begins in mid-June and goes on until the end of September. Moisture-laden winds blow over the Indian Ocean and the Arabian Sea and reach the western coastal region around June, causing heavy rainfalls all over India. By mid-July, the entire country receives very heavy rainfall. Agriculture is being the main occupation in India. We are depend on monsoon rain throughout the year. However, there are times when there is too much rainfall which destroy crops, and other times when there is no rainfall at all, thus causing droughts. In India, the coastal plains and the Himalayas receive very heavy rainfall, whereas some part of Rajasthan and some part of Gujarat receive very poor rainfall. Cyclones cause terrible damage and destruction of life and property. Cyclones cause terrible damage and destruction of life and property. The deltas of Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri have been affected by cyclonic storms. The autumn season. The autumn season comes after the monsoons, just before the winter season set in. Autumn season is also known as fall. Trees shed their leaves during this season. The weather is cool and pleasant. Now comes winter season. Winter season starting from November, India experiences winter season until February. The days are shorter and nights are longer in this season. The mountainous Himalayas receive heavy snowfall in this season. The northern plains too experience extreme cold during the winter months. In the desert region, the days are very pleasant but nights are very cold. The coastal region experience pleasant climate in this season. Now comes spring season. Spring season, also known called the golden season, follows the winter season. It begins with the Basant Panchami festival in early February and goes on until the end of March, before the onset of summer season. Spring season is marked by pleasant weather when all the trees and plants are in bloom. When the crops ripen and the field looks golden with crops ready for harvesting. Nature looks its best during this season. So students, today we have learned fifth lesson, the climate in India. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.